way to the TRS hotel. I know you guys haven't heard from me in about a minute, but I'm back to doing some travel vlogging, and I just wanted to share this trip. This is a really exciting trip in particular because we're here actually for work. We're headed to the TRS Corral, but it's not just any work. Here for Richa and Vishal's wedding. For those of you guys who don't know them, they're on Family Karma. They're the couple that everybody's been waiting, anticipating for them to finally get married. And so we're here. We're going to be glamming up Richa and her family, her moms, and her bridesmaids and cousins and everybody. And we're just going to have a really great time. I'm going to have you follow me around on this journey to kind of see the behind the scenes of what you do as a traveling artist. Just having a really good time. We were talking, Marcus and I, which my travel buddy, she's here with me, the one recording back the camera. Let her say hello.
Hi everyone.
Are you excited to be here?
Very excited. This is gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be beautiful. People is beautiful here, so looking forward.
And she's been making me brush up on my Spanish and practice my Spanish, so I should be an expert in Espanol. So anyway, I hope you are looking forward to seeing this vlog. We're gonna split it up into different days. So today is gonna be day one, and today is just day one is relaxing. We're just hanging out. I don't know, we'll probably change our clothes because it is very hot. We left New Jersey in 17-degree weather, and now we're in, I don't know, what's the temperature here? Like almost 80 degrees. So it's hot, and as you can see, we definitely wore layers, so it was easy to change when we got here. So we're probably gonna just hang out by the pool, maybe grab some food, explore the hotel. I definitely have a bunch of emails to catch up on. So you guys see this lifestyle, oh my God, they travel, she travels everywhere. It's work. It takes work. Nothing in life is for free. Everything has a cost to it. And for me, I feel like even just having these types of opportunities, it wasn't just because I got lucky, it was because I put the work in and I laid the bricks and I built that foundation. And that's why people in this industry trust me to work with them and be there. So another thing that's really exciting is Bravo is going to be here, and they're going to be filming this wedding. It's going to be on season 3, Family Karma. I believe it's the first 2 or 3 episodes, so you're going to stay tuned. But this is the real life in the making, the behind the scenes of the reality show. This is it. So stay tuned. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you don't already, because you'll miss out on all the cool content. Alright, Cinderellas, see you in somewhere else.
Yeah.
These guys are so fun to work with, I have to tell you guys. They're just awesome people. They're just so welcoming. I feel like as soon as we walked in, we just felt the warmth.
Hey guys, real quick, if you're watching this vlog and you're planning a destination wedding, obviously you have some interest in what goes on behind the scenes. This is Millen, the owner of Shadi Destinations.
That's right.
They are well known all over the world, basically. They're taking over each country, Mexico, all the Caribbean, everywhere, and they're just creating amazing dream weddings for couples from all over the world. So, say hello.
We appreciate it. Look, there's nothing more important than how you look on your wedding day, and there was only one vendor we contacted for this wedding, and that's Parvati and Cinderella Bridez. They know exactly what they're doing. They know how to get the perfect styles in. And hair and makeup's not the same in New York or in Cancun. It's different because it's different weather. There's a lot of humidity here. She knows exactly how to do it. So don't call anyone else but Parvati.
So we are in the car. We're on our way to Marina Beach, and we have the whole crew here. Let me have them say hi. This is Parth.
Hello.
Andrew.
Hello.
Ivan. This is the crew behind the scenes. You're gonna see some amazing footage from all of them. And then this is the man right here, Parvati, the one and only.
I hit the red button.
He's the one that hits the red button, and he's making fun of me.
It's like a little, yeah, anyways.
So, guys, if you don't know Parvati, his company, Pizza Photography, they travel all over the world creating some epic video footage, photography footage. They not only cover brides, they cover anything that you need. You say hi to everybody, actually.
Hello, as they say in Japanese.
Any words for the cam?
And I can't wait to work with you guys. We're doing Richa and Vishal's wedding here. We're actually going to do some epic fun stuff with ATVs and jet skis and camels. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with the camels, but they're camels.
So
We're gonna be non-stop for 4 days straight.
So I have a question for you guys.
Lots of
Does it
alcohol.
ever get annoying having a big camera in your face?
No,
loves it.
no. The proper answer is we ignore it. It's like flies on the wall. We don't recognize it.
Flies on the wall.
There's a fly on the wall, right?
What are you guys most excited about?
Having all our friends here. I think it'll be a good party.
Hey guys, so we are just hanging now. This is, like I said, day 2. We're hanging here at Maroma Beach, waiting. Everybody went on the ATVs and I decided not to go. So I have my friend here, Part. Say hey.
What's up?
We have just been hanging and he just taught me some really cool tricks on how to like pan, what do you call it?
Tracking and panning and cinematic stuff.
Yeah, so if you see the palm trees, that's me. We're taking lessons from Part on how to track and film the really
Working
cool.
on it.
Yeah, we're working on it. We're working on it. But in the meantime, we have some other people that are hanging with us. Let me just show you them. They're really cool people, guys. Hello, sir. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Qué? Shy. Shy? Ella? Dobla. Oh, doblas. Y Habibi. Okay. Somebody's hungry. All right, I think you guys have had enough of the camel folk. We're gonna go back to the shade because it is hot.
It's hot.
I think the temperature here is like, today is like 80s. Hey guys, so I'm exhausted. I'm literally just waiting for the next look. Long day today. It was a lot of fun. We were out in the sun. I actually drove a speedboat for the first time, which was pretty cool, helping Parvat's team. Ivan was like filming footage, and so was Parvat. He was shooting, and then there's GoPro. Everything was pretty awesome. Even drone footage. But I'm just tired. I need some coffee, and I figured I would just take a minute to vlog and tell you about my day so far. I'm just kind of laying here, waiting. We're gonna be getting Richa ready for the next look, which is the Sangeet. No, that's the Sangeet. I just kind of tell you about my day. So we got a lot of great video content, a lot of footage, a lot of pictures. Already started creating some fun Instagram and Reels and TikToks and posting and all that good stuff. So half of the wedding business is just marketing your work, marketing like what you're doing, your presence, wherever you are. So, you know, if you're watching this and you're maybe in the wedding industry, then definitely recommend you to make sure that you get good at social media, get good at marketing yourself, get good at marketing your work, get good and comfortable at being in front of the camera, because that's super important. My phone is ringing. I gotta go. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
De ella no más hablo en todas mis pedas.
Oh my god, he has a beautiful voice.
A mis compas bien hartos traigo ya. Me dicen, güey, ya la tienes que superar. Buscaba si vuelvo a pensarte, me atrevo a no querer hablarte. Sentimientos ajenos, los celos no son buenos. Y si me llamas contesto, aunque nunca va a pasar eso, aunque nunca va a pasar eso.
Wow.
Mejor su recuerdo me lo bebo, los tragos me saben ir mejor. Tu beso, tu boca, extraño cual beso más de ti, mamita hermosa. Espero que el tiempo te pague, yo extraño tu beso. Cuando sé que no la hace feliz. Ahora solamente yo pienso en ti. Mami, seguro me pongo pa' ti. Escucha mi peso, mami, te quiero. Juro que quiero estar conmigo en serio. Yo quiero que tengamos y tengamos bonito y seamos abuelos. No me exceso, quiero que yo tengo progreso. Regresa mi beso, mami, te aseguro que te amo, juro que te quiero. Eres una niña talentosa, conoce ya toda mi prosa. Yo sé que ese bobo que tienes es pocas cosas. Así que regresa pa' mí, mamita, te voy a hacer feliz. Yo sé que te extraña mi cuerpo, mi ganas de hacerte reír. Sé que jamás nadie te va a querer. Mamita, conmigo tú tienes placer. Te invito a Cancún, aquí a Playa, y seguro te encuentras alguien como este ser. Como este ser. Como este ser, como este ser, como este ser. Yo sé que encontrarás a este ser. Que te va a comer. Que te va a comer. Yo te va a comer. Freestyle. That's really freestyle.